Hi guys, my name is Josephine Israel from Finis Talent Studio, and I'm also working with Children Living with Cancer Foundation. And we're here today to have an art workshop for kids. We have for the bead making, we have for the painting, and we have for the recycling arts. Today we have about 6 children that are in the ward, inpatients, children that are receiving treatment, and we have a survivor already, and then we have other kids that have come here to create art for these kids. So join us as we go through this journey of making art for kids.
My friend Ramat, our newfound artist. What we do is art therapy, helping the kids pass time, endure pain, and teach them art at the same time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.